love.
Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today is wash day and I'm going to show you exactly how I achieved this super defined soft twist out. Also, I decided to try out a new shampoo and conditioner line, and I decided to give L'Oréal Elvive Total Repair 5 shampoo and conditioner a shot, along with their leave-in conditioner with ceramides. I'm actually trying out a few new things on this wash day. So I'm checking out this viral detangling brush called the Unbrush, and also this styling cream I looked up on and found it at Walmart for only $3.50, and it's called Rucker Define and Stretch Curl Custard. So if you want to see how everything worked together and how I got those results, keep on watching. Alright beauty, so I started this process on freshly washed hair, and for a shampoo and conditioner today I used the L'Oréal Elvive Total Repair 5 line. This line is formulated to help repair damage and strengthen the hair. And I have to say, my hair felt really soft even during the wash process. So after shampooing, I went in with the Total Repair conditioner, and this is where I did most of my detangling. While the conditioner was in my hair, I detangled under running water in the shower. And y'all, this was a game changer. This is something I like to do because the water helps the conditioner spread through the hair and gives the brush extra slip. If you're enjoying this video so far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Now this is where I tried out the viral Unbrush after I rinsed out the conditioner and I applied leave-in conditioner. And y'all, I was honestly shocked. This brush literally glided through my hair. I'm talking about gliding, no tugging, no snagging. And when I was finished detangling my hair in the shower, and as well after the shower, there was little to no hair in my brush. And if you have natural 4C hair like mine, you already know that says a lot. So right away, I could tell the combination of the conditioner and the brush made detangling super easy. Once I finished rinsing the conditioner out, I started the styling process. I'm beginning on clean, freshly washed hair and conditioned hair. The first thing I applied was the L'Oréal Elvive Total Repair leave-in conditioner with ceramides. So for those that may not know, ceramides are known to help strengthen the hair and smooth the hair cuticle. And I can actually instantly feel how soft and manageable my hair was after applying it. My hair felt moisturized but not heavy, which I love. As I apply the leave-in, I'm working in sections and putting each section into bantu knots to keep the hair stretched and organized while I move through the rest of my head. Sectioning like this just makes the styling process so much easier. Now, I'm using somewhat of the lock method to lock in that moisture, of course. So after my leave-in conditioner, I'm going in with my lightweight oil, which today I'm using Grapeseed oil. Please check out my lightweight oil series if you haven't already. I really like grapeseed oil because it's a lightweight oil and it doesn't weigh my hair down. It helps seal in that moisture without leaving my hair feeling greasy. So after the oil, I'm going in with the Rucker Roots Define and Stretch Curl Custard. Now listen, I saw this at Walmart for $3.50 and I just had to try it. It's like regularly priced $13 and some change, but they had it marked down to $3.50, y'all. And this is my first time using or even hearing about this product. Sometimes those little clearance finds turn out to be hidden gems. And let me tell you, this was a winner. The texture is really nice and smooth, and when I apply it to my hair, it gives great slip, but I love most that it does not leave my hair feeling sticky or greasy. It just coats the hair really nicely and gives great definition. So I've been taking down each Bantu knot and splitting them into medium-sized sections, then creating two-strand twists throughout my entire head. I like to make my twists medium-sized because it gives me the perfect balance of great definition and volume when I take them down. As I twist, I'm making sure to smooth the product through the hair from root to tip. Between the leave-in, the grapeseed oil, and the curl custard, my hair feels super moisturized and soft.
dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream.
Alright beauties, here are the final results. This twist out came out super divine, soft and full of shine. My hair feels moisturized, lightweight, and not greasy at all. And because the twists were medium size, this style should last me for at least 2 weeks. And it will start to expand into a beautiful kinky curly fro close to the last day, which I love rocking.
She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right.
That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you care. It really helps the channel grow. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.